Hey everyone, it's Coach Brenda Kelly here coming to you. So I wanted to come on today and talk about your emergency bag. So it's been a while since I first went over this with you, and I want to share with you again, seeing that we are approaching flu season, time when people are getting sick, when things are, it's getting cold out. So I wanted to just talk about this bag. Now, I recently went back into my bag just to check everything and make sure everything was in place that I needed. So it's good over the holidays just to come on and just look in your bag and see what's in it. Now I added a few things to my bag. One of the things I added was some extra gauze packet. It's always good to, have some on hand. You never know when you're gonna need it. Another thing that I added, bandages. So I'm just gonna take everything out and go over it again. I have a stethoscope. I have allergy relief medicine. This is always good to have in an emergency. Say someone takes some medicine or they eat something that they shouldn't and they have an allergic reaction. It's always good to have some liquid Benadryl on hand in an emergency. I always keep some hand gel in my bag and a couple of little first aid kits with bandages, just a few things, alcohol preps in it. You can get those at the dollar store. I always have a pulse oximeter is what it's called. And you can get these on Amazon, very cheap, $15. And this, in an emergency, you need to check someone's heart rate or their oxygen to see how they're breathing. This is good to have on hand. So a pulse oximeter, $15. It's good to get, over the holidays. Maybe add that to your Amazon list, when you get a free Amazon card. Another thing to have is tape. Have some tape in your bag, along with, I do have some COVID kits in as well, and you can probably get those right now. Aspirin, 325 milligrams is what I have on hand. I have more gauze and more tape. So just having the basics, also a thermometer, have a digital thermometer, and I also have a oral thermometer, glass one, which I keep. I just like the glass thermometer. And a pen and some paper if you need to document, write something down. If something is going on and you need a pencil and pen. And always, I encourage people to have a list of medications. If you take medications, if your spouse takes medication or someone in your family, having a list of the medications in an emergency that you can go to the bag and you have it here. You're nervous, you're trying to figure out what to do. You have the list on hand, so have that in your bag as well. So these are just some things that I encourage you to have in an emergency bag. You can make up your bag. I use a backpack, but you can make up a bag any way that you want and add any of the things that I talked about here and anything else that you think you might need. But just to have something on hand in an emergency. And I just wanted to share that. Go through your bag. If you already have your bag set up, go through your bag, look through it, see what you have. And if you've used something, if you've gone in to use some bandages, replenish what you don't have, all right? This is Coach Brenda Kelly coming to you just with a few tips on getting your emergency bag in place, all right? Have an amazing day.